Kevin, what's in Nana Akufo Addo? Oyensuoba. Oshi. O kan sembe brave ano. Nanso kaise wabeye omampanyin eda. Wan kasa wo hyenase. Me hyenase. John Dramani Mama, His Excellency. Ono so no hyenase.
Mate se Kevin dene ye de bi. Wo se ken meswati ye ba Ghana. Wa ma Otumfuo ISS motive. Nana, me bo din aka asem. Nana fo ya nkan bia e be ya asem. Na Kevin Taylor, ka hunu sana wo papa no. Ntuma mkankan Nana Flowers. No ati wo e na meswati. E sign ho ba Otumfuo kwan Mansia Palace. It that means say Otumfuo mpo e na ISS motive dia e na Kevin Taylor. Wo papa de se bi o ta frate se bi enyalo. What se bola swade.
Kevin Akobede Taylor akasa amana no akoyinika. Uko media no si ade mu de kabi pa de tre no. Evangelist Sule, any other TikTokers are joining conversation. Omu blasted Kevin Taylor. Efan semwa obeka fa yura opem so or tell cause not say to any former president. Nana Danko Akufo. In this video, man who semwa Kevin Taylor ekan any the Akufo so eka as counter defense to him. How you Penyah block media. Mess was any dim. Over like video, no other remember subscribe button and snap click notification on the latest update. Now better watching the mama ever comment section so baso. No watch video for so any be ashe. Ain't about 5 days ago, Anna King of Eswatini, Eba Ghana Hanum, Swatini King, Eba Ghana Hanum. I say, or about for 4 days to 4 days to Eba and the neck. Hopefully, be a neck and a change the flight a bit to kick off. Obaya and any of what's Yura, Asantehene, Ewo Menshia in few, to Nasif the Accra, or what Mahama and any who are to tune for Eso, and of course, you are Ewo Kumasi. Now, Emono Anna came to the Everton the show. And then yes, Obahuru Yura, but didn't who fell
did the crew. Eh, a quani plane in ye, and yet, and Quanqua plane. A quani machine or Timuna, Okuta market to Abia, was a scared or the Nan and Yasano. A quani the Airbus never you. You see, a quano or dear in ye, and you decode what you with dear in ye. Said you. Wa wadi poly dubako. Akwa we ni thing. Akwa we. Plane on the buyer no. You see plane the bedroom cry no. And you see plane no. Omoka say Bobo the other baby jumbo. Musi jumbo jet and jumbo. Jumbo Kenyatta. And Omoka Joe Mahama say where the able to be a command. John say no please. I'm sorry. Sit down. No musio. In the time I'm doing this and common do a crack on common, you know. But I see mid air na John Fremo, John Mahanga said land in Accra first, please. I don't want casualties. In Tinomontia Sieno Hinisa, why is the Ghana president calling me to land? This is not an emergency. And John said, TP pair, that time no, not Jakpa by Jubilee House. Flagstaff House. And on it, Mr. President too. Into all of say, Swatini, Obechowa Kokumasi, Otumfuo. It's on a John Cass, hey, Jakpa. Swatini for playing on the Jumbo, I see Jumbo, plain text idea, young package what is into a hot and now. John Mahamas or special football to me will be Casao, a plane. It's Papa the fire, no, more than we should play no. Papa the fire, no, playing in here, and San Matuas.
The deputy chief of staff in charge of operations, Stan Dobe, is also here to welcome King Mr. Wati. I want to show you right now the government delegation that is here. You can see the chief of staff, Julius Debra, there on the red carpet together with the chief of staff in charge of operations, Stan Dobe. Now, whilst here in Ghana, King Mesawati III, today there will be a ceremony at the presidency at the Jubilee House. There will be an official ceremony to welcome him to Ghana at the Jubilee House. That should take place within an hour or two. And then later, there will be bilateral discussions between the two countries, Eswatini, the Kingdom of Eswatini, and then Ghana. Also expected to happen today is a holding of bilateral discussions, like I mentioned earlier, and then is expected to be signed later today. Now, as part of the schedule, tomorrow King Mesawati III will be visiting the AFTA Secretariat. We'll be meeting officials of AFTA. So now we see the delegation accompanying King Mesawati III stepping out at this point. King Mesawati III now arriving here at the Kotoka International Airport. So like I mentioned, tomorrow he will be visiting the AFTA Secretariat. After visiting the AFTA Secretariat.
Akwan jumbo the buy says jumbo se jumbo no the buy nyam kran. Akwan party and into onam wiem yes we do Togo o twem. E wana na jakpa baba eye President Mahama ho. And also Mr. President, the Eswatini king, he's passing, he's going to come. So no, you people, I don't want casualties. And of Frey eye omo President Papa no or to play no. In the time of friend no TP pay.
I said, Emma and similar kind no. Nana J. Abe class with Kevin tells him as a young Kwasi Akekano. Prez said, Kevin tell papa, I order him, oh papa, your hene. At the intina, Eswatini king Oban, one cost our papa, then you care about Otumfuo, Nanya and liberty, and your hoya, who be do Otumfuo.
Matisa Kevin Tene was taken Miss Swati Yabagana, Wama Otumfuo ISS motive, Nana, me both in her cancer, another for young Cambia, a bayasem, na Kevin Taylor, Kavunu Sana Papa. To my kind Nana flowers, not to walk, and I'm Miss What? A sign of Otumfuo, and Palace. It's done sense of Otumfuo, and IS motive here, and a Gavin Jelly. Who Papa, the Sebiota Frat, Sebian Yabo. What the Sebo last Swadia? What the Sebo last Swadia was a Sebo, what that hole. Now Miss Wati, Etianaso, Miss Wati, and move Papa a doormat. So Otumfuo is motive. I want Miss Wati and India, and your whoop Papa. Sawa hin and Wahine can kind of. And you were a doormat. Sabi, I was a Miss Wati, Etianaso because when you nipa. One no Ghana Hampo Yamuno, Nasabi Miss Wati, and the cow Papa can tell Sumpuro, Miss Wati, 1 10 pound to Ghana. And Kawama, because every over party I, ya you cry Yamuno, Nana, Mumukan, Wayana, Otumfuo and 9 or 7 Nana, 8 young foot room, baby, and another bedroom. Ewan, when I'm saying Kevin Taylor, Papa, the SS beautiful flat at dawn. Kevin Taylor, Papa, the SS. Now you pay Nipa Manedi idea the young Yadima Kevin Taylor, Papa. Now you pay Nipa Manedi idea of Mukrum. And I say, you know, Nipa be a meeting Yadima Kevin Taylor, Papa, so I say, I really say, what he forced, no, wait, what he never last one, wait, when Java Power Beckham will be Papa, so I see you too. Now, Papa, so you're not in time as what I'm going to tell you. I see you don't matter me.
Only that can tell you, he's become a thorn in the flesh of MPP members, especially Baumia and Akufo. Kevin Taylor was Obama confirming a very tough time on earth. Obe do many, obe so many, yeah, be so many mere hours as we so. Akufo every Abema, so there be a Kevin Taylor telling shows every dinner time. The dinner time but 217. And where she can tell ever and show the Subano Bayano. And then the Obeki can sing there in fact. And 7 are no air. For the former president, His Excellency. Nana Danko Akufo and Semno any so supply.
Tell Nana Danko Akufo to say Usano na a special needs child. Na also or say Irene Kakra and then I'm friend Agoveno. But no because of politics and then papa no sibia no carry omo man kofo hunti na de Akufo de bi o hyedem na ye nhyeda ehu Akufo do sa nti ama nipa bi ehu Akufo do anything o call legon na onya eye den okọ economics a membese meko ai one pass and ofro na papa mpese obetina Ghana because time na owo eye legon no na sebio obo be sibra na ono no meduro obobo drugs na oguni papa di mase nti omo hu se na omo mpese amanfo be hu se Akufo do so sebio on set 90% na and the obakra ewo eye bibi ti say autism a obetune na kire and you feel happy about it, you don't feel shy on se Akufo do address no na eye tete na amanfo bi se sa nipa no mo te say nsuo ba nti na ebusuafo de omu sie nti na Akufo do satane ni bi nyamba e wanyini on 1944 ne ewo no satane ni bi samba nti na omo de ne hyedem ebu abosom na hyempase gono mo mpese ahoho behu no enti odidimu ana omde sika etwa ne ho hia se oh omka tin kofo tim se Akufo papa wo sika na oni sika na e politics na oye enti time a okọ lego na oya agove kakra na oye by heart ono ne namfofo kwa abontere ko disco no makoko ntokwa na omo for girls ne ade ena papa ne ka se ndie mama ne free eye Ghana ne amfa ne nkotete abruchiri ena omo de ne be share UK into ba ye no so no se bi UK na mama na ohwe no Ghana no na onka no ho because omo nyisika ama mama ne na meta UK ena eye agove ne etin kensin into hono study se onum nduru akese nduru amu odin time ede ne ba eye school UK se omeko law school e hono abrofo no se akora we de ye jan wo school ha obema nkura wo school nyina wasai omo efise ono ubie ne to a wish ho ubie na suma wish ho ukone dem ne hostel na ko wura ho a untumi ntena efise wanum wi ma ne twanani ne yare so dan so nya yare ketwa nti eno ena ma school no so eyi Akufo free ho a odikopie France adikudie tie Akufo free UK call France ne say that time France no unum wi ni koke na ne enchew na French fo aban na omani abre omo kontokwa nti na omani hyeda nkonkwara a omo num edubone so nti eno na Akufo fa ho a odikopie France into copy France no so oni kude brothers na dey adwuma no boa because dey bia no nipa no ne te no opeso ka bibi to omutim so oye lawyer into sorry no akotena we base so aka chom so okọ law firm kude brothers enum na 2018 because ye investigation be hu se Akufo ni law certificate into emu no na Akufo papa hu se da bi France na ote no so obo be sibra onu medrubone dodo into sebio sa kude brothers na oye bibi afa ni paralegal okotena tena ho no ahye papers no na sa time no 1963 ho baby sa time na kuwesi na eye Mr. Palu on na sebio yegu Supreme Court no into High Court no and representing Supreme Court there were the senior judges no be sebio technically on be the Supreme Court judges na judge for be mensa na judge friend Palu on the senior most judge on na technically or chief justice because that time no na Supreme Court no into High Court no be than Supreme Court na Palu and da no as acting chief justice na Palu na down for pa any Akufo papa into that time na Akufo what France no and Akufo papa no a ceremonial president and Akufo buy e be share in office and okacha Palu say Palu me no nante ache me ba we say me jare life man obeku no ho obo edubone oyewu into we dia mesrew man eye certificate wa na Ghana for hu say o man certificate oye lawyer e ho and Akufo be ka say oye law student and it na be see na obu say Akufo say the certificate wa here o say ayira every say oni obia anko abontene anko graduate ne papa enya Palu na share dem na omo ye ne lawyer it's na do dan Akufo do a dangerous or yet serious special needs kid and it's obedi president no o ka so na bu ofun oye so because ono na adwini mu no obi onim nyansa bi ejimi and obi ojimi bi anim nyansa and it's obi te say chairman wuntumi e ben no o de ba omiamo ben no pious hagide and sankofo a omagimi enso na adwini mu no omunim nyansa into de bia Akufo no o left they are expect say Akufo be the papa no onye into okunipa during election 2020 a ohun ni say onye bone every say na adwini mu no waya de pa and it's na e din see ne Akufo betena into sa nyoma sa no e dey say di agro into say ende aban no asra manani ekọ special needs kids one moma ye nyina support aban no na sa nkora we omunya the necessary support a e wo say e dey support omo na omo so ebenyini na omo be penyini ba na omo be dane Akufo ado ego wole ja apeke
na enso na kentra ekan ya na emu ana evangelist Sule abe class we nim like everything enso ma kan de entwa ye papa no wanyini sebe wabobra wanyini manidina neja de wo ye
video bia Kevin Taylor aye afa Nana Akufo ado ho na me gina so ye futuo bi ma Kevin Taylor
sebe Nana do dan Akufo ado say usano na oye special needs child na ono so o say yare ne kakra ene na mo friend agove no but ono no because of politics ene ne papa no sibia na mo carry omo mankofo hunti na de Akufo de bi o hyedem na ye nhyeda ehu Akufo ado sa nti ama nipa bi ehu Akufo ado anything okọ legon na onya eye den okọ economics a me pese me ko ai one passing ena ofuro na papa mpese obetina Ghana because time na owo eye legon no na sebio obo be sibra na onunum eduro obobo drugs na ogudi papa edi mase nti omo huse na omo mpese amanfo be huse Akufo ado so sebio on set 90% na and the obakra ewo eye bibi to say autism obetumi na kire and you feel happy about it you don't feel shy on say Akufo ado address no na eye tete na amanfo bi say sa nipa no mo te say nsuoba nti na ebusuafo de omo sie nti na Akufo ado sa atane ni bi nyamba e wenyini on 1944 ne ewo no sa atane ni bi samba nti na omo de ne hyedem ebu abusom na hyem paase go no mo pese ahoho behu no enti odidi mu ana omudi sika etwa no hia is oh omo ka tin kofo tim se Akufo papa o sika na oni sika na politics na oye enti time a okọ lego na oya agove kakra na oye by heart ono ne namfo kwa abontre ko disco no makoko ntokwa na omo ye for girls na ade ena papa ne ka se ndie mame mane free eye Ghana ne afa ne nkoti tabu chiri ena omo de ne be share UK into ba ye no so no se bi UK na mame na ohwe no Ghana no na onka no ho because omo nya sika ama mame ne na beta UK ena eye agove ne etin kensin into hono study se onum ndura kese ndura mu odin time de ne ba eye school UK se omeko law school e hono abrofo mu se akora we die ye jani school ha obema nkora wo school nyina wasai omo ebi so ono ubie ne to a wi hye ho ubie na suma wi hye ho ukọ de dem the hostel na ko wura ho a untumi ntina ebi so wanum wi ma ne twani ne yare so dan so nya yare ketwa nti eno ena ma school so eyi Akufo do free ho a odi kopie France adikudi enti Akufo do free UK call France ne say that time France no unum wi ni ko ke na ne enchew na French fo aban na omani abre omo kontokwa nti na omani hyeda nkonkwara omo no medu bone so nti eno na Akufo do fa ho a odi kopie France into copy France also or the Kude brothers na dey man oboa because they bia no nipa na on net no opeso ka bibi to omutim say or lawyer into sorry na akotena we base so aka chom so okọ law firm Kude brothers enum na 2018 me koye investigation be hu se Akufo need law certificate into emu no na Akufo papa hu se da bi France na otene so obo be sibra or no medubo ne dodo into sebio sa Kude brothers na oye bibi e fa ne paralegal okotena tena ho no ahye papers no and at that time no 1963 ho baby satana kuwesi na eye Mr. Palu on na sebio yegu Supreme Court no it's not High Court no and representing Supreme Court there were the senior judges no be sebio technically on be the Supreme Court judges na judge for be mensa na judge from Palu on the senior most judge on na technically or chief judge because that time no na Supreme Court no into High Court no be than Supreme Court na Palu and da no as acting chief justice na Palu na down for power any Akufo papa. It is our time now Akufo do what France no and Akufo papa no a ceremonial president and Akufo buy a share in office and catch up Palu say Palu me no one anti ache me ba we say me jare life man obeku no ho obo edubone oyewu it we dia mesrew man a certificate to Hanama Ghana for who say o man certificate or lawyer e ho and Akufo do beka say or a law student and it na be see the Akufo say the certificate we here or see ayira if you say oni obia anko abontene anko graduate ne papa enya Palu na share them no mo ye lawyer. It's another danko Akufo do a dangerous or yet serious special needs care. And it's no be president no o ka so na move no you say because ono na adwini mu no obi onim nyansa bi ejimi and obi ojimi bi anim nyansa and it's no obi say chairman wontumi e ben no o de ba omi amo ben no
mewira ho kwanya wo fa so edwi wo ho egu papa ehun enyimu sei utumi gu nanim ase obadwa mu sei say your papa obeyesa Kevin Mr. Wanyade wosi Nana Akufo Addo oye nsuo ba ohye o kan sembe brefa no ho nanso kai se wa beye omampanyin eda wan kasa o hyenase me hyenase John Dramani Mama His Excellency ono so no hyenase Ghana fo nyina e hyenase hwe sem bi ati se no ensem fatawo a wudi His Excellency John Dramani Mama achi efrize aniamo ho kasa we no ono ankasa me ohwe video ya ebeye ne ya papa we se na otie nyame abode o se ne wo kan o papa firi ni nkwala brem ebesi ni mpani mfie so wonya ne mfom so bi a obetimi aba abeka no social media so no bi a why president ama of the whole Republic of Ghana na wutwa bone sei ana wan kasa kura wunyini nuru ba bia o umfie esen danfie kakra mu kura no hwe nkwara brembe si sabre mfom so dodo a waye adan na wuntumi ma meka ewo media iso me a me ne wo kasai sane na me suban tie me nkwara bremu nyina no media iso meka ho asem sebeya obi enkoye bi bawo obefere so obeka ho asem hwe wo si wo hye John Dramani Mama makoni kun bebre ebra bi obi ye video se wo hye hwe sa video no
nka se ma mo hye o abusu so hye shisa ade nka se ma mo hye but yeah, trust to.
Shadia waye. Fabuo Emma Oman Mumpanimfo. When him say, Ofri Obi Abusiam, Obi Papa no. Na uguna ni masesa. Who Abusiamu? Panyin bia wanu wi. Ama ne siashi. Awa wunimu no. Saa nipa no ada na ono. Omfa ne picture. Ameto so enwu n'anim ase se ne wugu dwo mama anim ase no. Buade wate, muma ye muade wate. Mesrɛ mo, ɔman ye ntiti ye no nye, ye kwa sɔre o, ye nkramofo ene ye yesi.
Nka asɛm amonhyi o, amosusu nhye. Shisa adai.
Wonim sɛ anyansafo animtifo bebree edi n'akyi. Wabu ɔman da o. Wanya konya na ntena so kura na ɛsɛ ohunu sɛ wadi mfaso da. Nimpuntu dwuma bi wɔ hɔ a wadi mfaso. Nti ehwɛ nɔma bi yie. Politics ɛmmoro yɛ sɛ nsa. Ɛnkasa sɛ ne yɛpɛ yɛma yɛ ni na hɔ. Video yɛ a wayɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ John Mama ɔhye. Nti wohwɛ papa na ɔhye. Adɛn na woyɛ saa. Mensoso ensemone so asɛm ohutwa na megya akyire. Nti Kevin, politics eni akyire anya de woyɛ na woyɛ nipa nyame abɔdeɛ na woto ho sei. Srew mensa da mensa yam. Sɛ wobɛka me ho asɛmmɔne kora menni haw. Na mmom kwanya wofa so kasa yei ɛna meka kyerɛ wo sɛ manyɛ saa yo na ɔyɛ panyin. Fani die ma die ni die sɛ no. Ampo John Dramani mama amfomso ne ho. Amanfo kasatia John Dramani mama meka ho asɛm. Menye ne kaprɛ. Menye Akufo Addo kaprɛ. Menye obi paneɛ. Mensoso nsɛm bi saa so because nkyirima no nti na ya mekasa. Sɛbɛ ya omunsua saa ne yeye bi. Enti wote ase a ɛyɛ wanti ase a mini how. The assessor make cano mawie. I'm done.
So when in some evangelist to any TikTok and Nigeria, Abeka, Ediafa Kentela home. Concern at media is obedi Yura Asantehene, any the former president, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo. What is your view on that? Tell your mom in our comment section. Hi, Penyah Media.